here with Indranil Chatterjee of Openwave Mobility, and so you're announcing something new here at Mobile World Congress. Tell me about that.
Hi Joey, yes, we are making quite a few announcements at Mobile World Congress. One of them is for our subscriber data federation solution. This is a new solution that we have developed. It is the first industry's carrier grade solution for subscriber data federation, and it's built on a solid foundation because we have deployed our core directory product in over 100 customers, so it's built on that knowledge and experience.
So let's talk subscriber data management. It's been around for a while, but what's new?
Yeah, so our umbrella solution is subscriber data management, and under which we have the subscriber smart data federator. So the subscriber data management solution, I would say there are probably three new things in that. Number one is scale. With the Internet of Things now, and the predictions are by 2020, there'll be 50 billion devices that are connected. So you need a solution that can scale to accommodate those large numbers while still being highly available and highly reliable. Number two, we are increasingly seeing virtualization and virtual deployments of the subscriber data management solution. In fact, we are soon to deploy in a tier one customer in Europe in their private cloud our subscriber data management solution. And number three, what we are seeing are some new use cases that are coming up where we can combine our subscriber data management solution with the underlying smart data federator.
Is there any more use cases for the IoT area?
Absolutely. So the kind of use cases we are seeing now, I'll give you a couple of examples, right? Number one, in the IoT space, we have the ability to not only do very high rates of reads and writes, 100,000 transactions per second is what we support in our largest deployment of our subscriber data management solution, which has 130 million subscribers provisioned today. But we also can do notifications. So if you take an example of an Internet of Things like a smart meter, and when the data changes, we have the ability to notify the subscriber, maybe the owner of that house, and that leads to new use cases and new applications that can be supported, this ability to notification. We can also send SMSs to all these devices that are connected. So there are different ways that you can now interact and apply the user repository using the Smart Data Federator. The second bucket of use case that we are seeing is around identity management. Identity is a big issue today.
Yes. Yep.
If you look at the US, every minute 19 people fall prey to identity theft. It is by far the largest growing issue in North America in terms of crime.
Yeah.
And what we can provide with our subscriber data management solution is the ability to do second factor authentication, because people increasingly are using mobile devices and mobile apps, and you're accessing your banking through your mobile device, and we can allow the operator to provide second factor authentication so that the user is protected and their identity is not stolen.
Okay, can you tell me a little bit more about the Smart Data Federator?
Yeah, absolutely, Joey. So on the Smart Data Federator, as I said, it is part of our overall smart subscriber data management solution. And what the Smart Data Federator allows us to do is really break down the silos that exist today with user repositories. In any mobile operator, as an example, you have different silos, and in each silo you have the subscriber information residing. The goal of the Smart Data Federator is to break those silos in an evolutionary manner. So it's not a rip and replace for our customers, but they can use our Smart Data Federator to basically bridge these repositories and converge the data and provide a unified view for the subscriber.